I got 2 on a chatterbait, 1 on a jig, and then 1 on a drop shot. So just they were on that point right there, and there's one right there actually. But yeah, mostly on bottom. Hey everybody, it's Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. My father-in-law and I are out on a lake called Sessions Lake, I think. It's in Ionia. And we haven't fished in a couple of years. Last time we were here it was in the fall, and we actually got on a pretty good bite. And what we're doing today is I'm just throwing pink drop shot. So this is that pink flatworm you guys have seen me start to use. And we're gonna throw around the drop shot, the jig, the chatterbait, the frog, fluke rigs, anything we can try to get these fish to bite. Water's pretty warm. It's about 79 to 80 degrees, pretty stagnant, not a lot of wind today, high pressure. The fish forecast is really good, but it might be a little bit of a tough bite. But hang on with us because I think we're going to catch a few fish, so stay tuned for more. There's that on a pink drop shot. Look at that. I'll be dang.
Smallmouth?
No, it's a large one. Sure does like to get stuff tied up though. There we go.
So the losing streak's over.
Yeah. Well, I gotta catch more than one. All right, so it's been a little slow. Mike and I are fishing a lake we haven't fished in a couple of years, but yeah, pink drop shot works. Again, even on inland lakes, you can catch bass on pink stuff. So there's one. See if we can't get a few more. Nice. What do you know? Oh, one just hit right here next to the boat, chasing the jig. Oh, there's 2 in here. Oh, quick. Ouch. A spunky little guy.
Yeah.
Another wall hanger on the Chomper's jig. Small wall, but hook click. He chased that jig right off the bottom. All right, it's your turn. You catch the 500. Catch and release. Right there. I think there's one. There he is. Shoot. As soon as that chatterbait hit the water, he hit it. That's that fluke up there.
A tree.
Yeah. You can catch bass on a pink seeker from Motion with a pink lure lipstick paddle tail. Picking up a few. Slow. They're dinkers, but they're still fun.
He has. Nothing big.
Yeah.
Yeah, largemouth. Good luck. Hopefully they'll release them for you.
I got 2 on a chatterbait, 1 on a jig, and then 1 on a drop shot. So just they were on that point right there, and there's one right there actually. But yeah, mostly on bottom. Pink. Oh. Well, actually, I caught one on the black and blue jig. So.
I'm gonna go along the bottom.
Yeah, I would. There's a better one.
Off the bottom?
Yep, drop shot. pink drop shot. Not a giant, but they're fun to catch. So got a few now. But it's the only thing consistent is fishing them on the bottom with drop shot. So I think that's number 4, number 5. Not a drop shot, again, not a giant, but still fun to catch. Yippee. Oh, there was one that just hit it. Probably a little bluegill. Sometimes they're back in the cheese. Oh, missed him. Crap. I didn't sting him. I just missed it.